turn your frontal wig into a headband wig. Period.
Yeah.
It takes some finesse. I see you finesse. He can't do finesse. Yeah. You stay on my mind.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mikaylah, aka Mikaylah Rachelle, and today's video is gonna be a little bit different. It's a hair video, but I just wanna put y'all on to how to make a frontal wig into a headband wig. Save your coins, okay? Save your cash coins, save your money. You know, reuse an old wig that you once had and now you want to bring it back to life, but you don't want people to know that it was the same wig. You can reuse it as a headband wig, and that's exactly what I did with this. So if y'all want to know how to get this look, keep on watching. Hey y'all, I'm interrupting. During the video, my concealer looks mad light and I'm so mad, but I'm so not re-recording. Just please disregard, like, it was a little light and I take responsibility for that. I will blend better next time. But anyway, just a disclaimer. Continue the video. Okay guys, some of the things that you will need to achieve the headband wig look is edge control, an edge brush, a water bottle. You also need a scarf or a headband, or in my case, a cut up legging strip. I know, ghetto. You will also need a wig cap, some bobby pins, and scrunchies. So let's get started. Guys, I almost forgot the most important thing. Your wig. Me, I'm using this curly wig I have. It's deep wave and I believe it's 20 inches. And I got it off of AliExpress. I'll put the details in the description box. Okay, y'all. Hope y'all okay with this angle. I need to see you. Guys need to be able to see me. So, but the first thing you need to do is have your hair laid back. You have to have it in cornrows, braids, slick back, something, so that your edges can show and that it looks like it's laid back. I think that this method is the best way, but whatever works for you, you can do that. So right now, all I'm doing is lowering my bun because you don't want something bulgy in the back, so just have it flat as possible. Okay, guys, now as you can see, my hair is flatter than it was before. I put my bun down here. Don't worry, my wig cap will flatten it if you just want to take your wig cap. And then you just want to put it on, not covering your edges, but just covering the remainder of your head. And put it to the position that you want it to lay. I'm pretty good with mine being right here. I think this is enough edges to show. So now, here is the next step. You just want to take your wig. All you're going to do is fold it and then put it on your head. So as you can see, I'm going to fold it like that. Just the frontal part. All this space, you just fold it. Boom. But you do not fold the two clips on the sides. This is a very important step. Do not fold these two clips in. And try to fold it to this clip as well. If you want extra security, you can just fold it on top of this clip. If you don't care about the middle part, just fold it all the way so there's no scalp showing. So then you just proceed to fit it on. As you see, I folded my frontal part and I'm taking these two clips and I'm just dragging it to the front. And now I'm just tucking it under. All you want to do is tuck it under the wig cap. Now as you see, this is the last part. You can either take this clip, put it under the wig cap as well, or, because it's not going anywhere, it's really not going anywhere, or you could just fold the flap and put the scarf on in the next step. But for extra security purposes, I'm just going to take this clip, I'm just going to put it right under the wig cap, and then I'm just going to fold what I can underneath. and it should look something like this. I know it looks a little bit bulky right now, but that will all be fixed with the headband or the scarf or the cut up legging that you have. So now I'm just fixing it. Sorry guys, I have to look in the mirror to see. But this is pretty good for me. I think, yeah, like no one's gonna see this part. Like no one's gonna see that. So let's proceed. Okay, if you guys want to make it flatter, you can also just take your bobby pins and just pin it where it needs to be flatter. But what you're gonna do is take your scarf. You just wanna pull the rest of the hair back. You wanna take your scarf, widen it out, and put it exactly over where you need it to go. Right? So I'm just gonna, boom. Make sure it's tight. Make sure it's really tight. And then you just wanna tie it. Perfect. This is perfect. You just wanna tie it in the back. Y'all see that? Right. You tie it. You could double tie it to make sure it's extra secure. Boom. You take out your scrunchie, let that hair go, and voila, like you have a headband wig. Now you just gotta fix it up to your liking. Like you see some tracks there. We don't want that. Like you don't want that. So I'm just gonna add some water. I'm just gonna work my hands through. You can also use a brush and just brush it back. Take some more water. Oh, I also meant to say, y'all, like when y'all put your hair back, make sure you brush out your edges, do your edges. Mine were already done because of the fact I wore my hair in a slick back today, but that's also what you need to do. Or you could always do it after the fact, and you could just swoop, push it back underneath the thing. Like it doesn't matter. You can do it. It doesn't matter. You can do it in the beginning or you can do it in the end. Whatever your preference is, truly. But I'm pretty okay with my edges. Like it's the end of the day. I'm not going nowhere. But like, look, y'all. Like who's gonna tell you don't have a headband wig on? Who knows this was a frontal? Nobody. And it's mad cute. I also like doing half up, half downs. So what you would just do is take just the front part, make sure none of the other sides is showing. And then put it in a ponytail. And that way you won't have to worry about whether your tracks are showing in the back, because this little amount of hair is going to cover it anyway. And this is like the final look. Turn your frontal wig into a headband wig. Period. So guys, we have come to the end of this video. I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for another piece of cake. Mikaylah Rachelle's out.